Have you ever looked at a rusty nail like this and asked yourself, how much actual iron is inside this piece of rust? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to figure that out. Hello everyone and welcome to Math Chem Solvebox. Let's get started. We are asked to calculate the percentage by mass of iron represented by the chemical symbol Fe₃ oxide. Iron 3 oxide is the scientific name for rust and its chemical formula is Fe₂O₃. To solve this, we first need some basic data from the periodic table. The atomic mass of iron is 56 and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Before we jump into the math, I want to share a very helpful cheat sheet with you. Please feel free to pause the video and save this slide for your exam revision. The overall formula tells us that the percentage of a target element equals the atomic mass denoted by Ar of your target element multiplied by its number of atoms in a compound divided by the total mass of the compound denoted by Mr and then multiplied by 100. We can break this down into 4 simple steps. First, we find the total compound mass Mr. Second, we find our target element mass Ar. Third, we multiply that element's mass A by its atom count. And fourth, we divide the product of Ar and its number of atoms by compound mass Mr. The whole thing is then multiply by 100 to get percentage of target element. Let's apply this right now. Let's dive into step 1, which is finding the total mass of the compound, which also known as the relative molecular mass or Mr. Looking at the formula of Fe₂O₃, we have 2 atoms of iron and 3 atoms of oxygen. So we multiply the mass of iron, 56 by 2, then we multiply the mass of oxygen, 16 by 3. This gives us 112 plus 48. When we add those together, we find that the total mass of our compound is 160. Moving on to steps 2 and 3, we need to focus strictly on our target element, which is iron. We want to find the total mass of just the iron atoms in our formula. As we established, the atomic mass of one iron atom is 56, and we have exactly 2 iron atoms in our compound. By multiplying 56 by 2, we calculate that the total mass of iron in this compound is 112. Finally, we have reached step 4, where we calculate our final percentage of iron Fe. We set up our equation by taking our target mass of iron, which is 112, and dividing it by our total compound mass, which is 160. If you put 112 divided by 160 into your calculator, you will get 0.7. To turn this decimal into a percentage, we simply multiply 0.7 by 100, giving us a final answer of 70%. And there is our conclusion. Iron 3 oxide or rust is exactly 70% iron by mass. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy studying!